get ready with me for graduation 2023. Top tips and tricks for making your graduation the best. First of all, I thought I'd give you some top tips for what to pack. So some perfume, a hair clip in case your hair gets annoying, some sunglasses for when you're outside celebrating with your friends, some lip balm, got to keep those lips hydrated, a safety pin for gown emergencies, plasters for shoe emergencies, and hair ties for hair emergencies. Be prepared for all situations. And now it's time to get ready, so shower and hair dry first. And next, makeup. Now, I'm no guru, so we've just got some powder going on here. And here I'm attempting to do my eyeshadow with some orangey colour. Really pushing the boat out there with the orange, I must admit. And now brushing my hair. Again, no hairstylist, so we're going with a simple look, so I can do an up or down do on the day, depending on how I feel. And now it's time for the outfit, the best part. Super proud of this transition, by the way, really hitting social media out of the park. And now to accessorise. Can't forget the rings. And last but not least, whatever you do, don't forget your tickets, digital or printed versions.